Hello, friends. Welcome back to the English Fluency Podcast with Emma and Daniel.
Hey everyone, today we have something very practical.
Very practical and very common.
What situation?
Your first day at a new job.
Oh, that's stressful.
It is. And we're going to practice the entire day in English.
The whole day?
Yes. From morning arrival to end of day.
That's smart.
Exactly. You'll learn real English used at work.
Not textbook English.
No. Real conversations. Real situations.
But first, our small favor.
Like this episode. Subscribe to our channel.
Tell us in the comments, what job did you have?
Or what job do you want?
Your story might inspire others.
Okay, let's start. First day at work.
I'm nervous already.
Don't be. We'll practice everything. Okay, Daniel. Imagine it's 8:45 a.m. You're arriving at the office.
I'm nervous.
Don't be. You find the entrance. You go to the reception desk.
What do I do?
Let's practice. I'm the receptionist. Ready?
Yes.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Hi, I'm new here.
What's your name?
My name is Daniel. I'm starting today.
Welcome, Daniel. Nice to meet you. Let me call HR,
HR,
Human Resources. They handle new employees.
so they organize everything.
Exactly. They help you on your first day.
What if I forget my name? I'm so nervous.
Ha. You won't forget. Take a deep breath. Smile. Be confident.
That helps?
Yes. People respond to confidence.
Now a manager comes down?
Yes. Your team leader. I'm Sarah, your manager. Ready?
Yes.
Good morning. Welcome to the team. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. I'm Daniel.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. A little nervous, but excited.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels this way.
Really?
Yes. Your first day is always nervous. That's okay.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now come with me. I'll show you around. We're walking through the office now. What do you need to know?
Everything. Where's my desk?
Here's your desk. It's nice, right?
What about the kitchen?
The kitchen is down the hall. You'll use it for coffee and lunch.
Coffee is important.
Very important. That's where people socialize.
Socialize?
Yes. Chat informally. Make friends.
Oh, so the kitchen is social?
Exactly. Coffee break time is important in offices.
What about the bathroom?
Down there. And these are the meeting rooms.
We have meeting rooms?
Yes. For meetings. Team discussions. Client calls.
How many people work here?
About 50 people in this office.
That's big.
You'll meet them slowly. Just meet your team today.
Not everyone?
No. That's too much pressure.
Good.
Here's your team. This is Marcus.
Hi, Marcus. Nice to meet you.
Hey, welcome. How's your first day?
Good. Everyone's been friendly.
That's great. If you need anything, ask me.
Thanks, Marcus.
This is Lisa. She sits next to you.
Hi, Lisa.
Welcome, Daniel. We're excited to have you.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
And this is Tom. your direct colleague.
Hey Tom, great to meet you.
Hey Daniel, welcome. How was your commute?
Good. About 30 minutes, easy to find.
Cool. If you have questions, my desk is there.
Perfect, thanks.
See? Everyone's friendly.
This is going much better.
That's because you're being yourself.
That's the secret?
Absolutely. Be authentic. People like that. Now comes an important part. Computer setup.
Oh no, technology.
Don't worry, IT department handles this.
Someone helps me?
Yes, you don't do it alone.
Thank God.
I'm from IT support. Ready?
Yes.
Hi, Daniel. I'm Raj from IT. Let's set up your computer.
Hi Raj, thank you for helping.
No problem. First, I need our username and password.
My username?
Yes. HR gave you a piece of paper with login information.
Oh, I check my paper.
Exactly. So your username is daniel.smith@company.com.
Yes, that's correct.
And I'll set a temporary password. You can change it later.
Why change it?
Security. Nobody else should know your password.
I understand. What about email?
You have an email account now. Same username.
When can I use it?
Right now. Here's your email. You have welcome emails.
There's already emails for me.
Yes. From the company. Welcome messages, rules and policies.
I need to read all of this.
Not today. Scan them today. Read carefully later.
Good advice. How do I ask for IT help if something breaks?
Send an email to IT support.
Or call them?
Email is better. It creates a record.
A record?
Proof you reported the problem. Proof it was fixed.
Very professional. What about my desk phone?
Raj configures it. Same password as email.
Can I make personal calls?
During break time? Yes. Not during work.
Even emergencies?
Emergencies are okay. Tell your manager.
Good to know.
Now it's lunchtime. It's 12:30 p.m.
I'm hungry.
Everyone is. What do you do?
Do I eat alone at my desk?
You can. But it's better to eat with your team
Why?
because it builds relationships. People bond over lunch.
Bond?
Yes. Connect with each other. Make friends.
Okay, let's practice eating lunch.
Marcus comes to your desk. Ready?
Yes.
Hey Daniel, lunchtime. Want to grab lunch with us?
Sure. Where do we usually go?
There's a cafe downstairs or a restaurant next door.
What's good?
The cafe is quick. The restaurant is nice but slower.
How long is lunch?
Usually 1 hour.
Should I use the full hour?
Yes. That's a break. Your work can wait.
Okay, let's go to the restaurant.
Good choice. We're walking there now. What do you talk about?
Anything?
Your background, your family, your interests, not just work.
Daniel. Why?
Because you're getting to know them as people.
So, Daniel, where are you from?
I'm from India. I moved here last month.
Oh, how do you like the city?
I like it very much. It's different from my hometown.
Do you have family here?
My sister lives here. That's why I moved.
That's nice. It's good to have family nearby.
Yes, I was nervous about moving alone.
See? Normal conversation.
Easy.
Now you're back. It's 1:30 p.m. Time to work.
Already.
Yes. But now you have lunch, friends. Your manager, Sarah, comes to your desk.
What does she want?
She gives you your first task.
Oh no.
Don't be nervous. It's an easy task. Ready?
Yes?
Hi, Daniel. How's everything going?
Good. I've met everyone. I'm ready to work.
Great. Your first task is to update this spreadsheet.
A spreadsheet?
Yes, add these new contacts here.
How many?
About 20. Nothing complicated. Easy for first day.
How long?
Maybe an hour. No pressure.
And if I have questions?
Ask me any time. My door is always open.
That's good. Thanks, Sarah.
Now you understand your task.
What if I get stuck?
You ask. Don't sit there confused.
Will my manager think I'm dumb?
No. Good managers want employees to ask questions.
Really?
Yes. It shows you want to do the job right.
That's a relief.
Now it's 3 p.m. You're stuck. Go to your manager.
Sarah, do you have a minute?
Of course. What's up?
I'm on the spreadsheet. I'm not sure how to format this column.
Oh, let me show you. Click this drop-down menu.
I see now. Thank you.
No problem. You're doing great.
This makes it much easier.
See? That wasn't scary.
Easier than I thought.
Always ask. It saves time.
What if I make a mistake?
Everyone makes mistakes,
Even on the first day?
especially on the first day. You're new.
Will I get in trouble?
No. Mistakes help you learn.
That's reassuring. Your manager knows this. She's patient.
I feel more confident now.
You should. You're doing great.
It's 5 p.m. end of workday.
I made it.
You did. How do you feel?
Tired but happy.
Good. Now what do you do?
Do I just leave?
No. Do a few things first.
Like what?
Save your work. Clean your desk. Send a status email.
Status email?
Yes. Tell your manager what you accomplished today.
Really?
Yes. It's professional. Shows you're organized.
What do I write?
Something simple. What you did. What's left for tomorrow.
Let's practice.
Okay. What would you write?
Dear Sarah, today I completed the spreadsheet update. I added 20 new client contacts. Tomorrow I can work on the database update. Thank you for your guidance today. Best regards, Daniel.
Perfect. That's professional and clear.
Is it too short?
No. Concise is good. Managers like concise.
Now what?
Say goodbye to your team.
Do I need to?
No. But it's polite.
What do I say?
Something simple. Have a good evening, or see you tomorrow.
That's it?
That's it.
Hey Marcus, have a great evening.
You too, Daniel. See you tomorrow.
Now pack up. Shut down your computer.
Do I turn it off?
Most offices say you can leave it on.
Why?
Updates download overnight. Security patches.
Got it. I did it. I survived my first day.
You did, and you learned the whole process.
I feel so much more confident.
That's the point of this lesson.
What's the most important thing?
Be yourself. Ask questions. Be friendly.
That's it.
That's really it. Let's do vocabulary. Office words.
Important office words.
Exactly. Word 1. Stand up.
A quick team meeting.
Yes. Everyone stands. Quick updates. For example, our stand-up is at 9 a.m.
Next word.
Blocker.
Something stopping progress.
Yes. For example, I have a blocker. Waiting for approval.
Next.
Status.
How someone is doing.
Yes. For example, what's your status on the project?
Next.
Milestone.
Important checkpoint.
Yes. For example, we reached our first milestone.
Next.
Deadline.
When something must be finished.
Yes. For example, the deadline is Friday.
Next.
Feedback.
Comments about your work.
Yes. For example, can I get feedback on this?
Next.
Collaborative.
Working together.
Yes. For example, this team is very collaborative.
Next. Emma. Productive.
Getting lots done. Yes. For example, today was very productive.
Last word.
Flexible.
Able to change plans.
Yes. For example, you need to be flexible at work.
Now, common office phrases.
Yes. Phrase 1. Let's touch base.
What does this mean?
Let's talk. Connect. For example, let's touch base later about this. Phrase 2. I'll get back to you.
You'll respond later.
Yes. For example, I don't have the answer now. I'll get back to you. Phrase 3. Can we sync up?
Can we talk?
Yes. For example, can we sync up about the project? Phrase 4. I'm swamped. Daniel, what did we learn today?
Everything about the first day at work.
From morning to evening?
Yes. From arriving to leaving.
What's the most important message?
Be yourself. Ask questions. Be friendly.
Exactly. Our question for you. What's your first day like?
Tell us in the comments.
What do you wish you knew?
Share your experience with other learners.
Please like this episode.
Subscribe for more workplace English.
Share with a friend starting a new job.
They'll be grateful.
Thank you for learning with you.
Your English is getting better.
This was the English Fluency Podcast.
Until next time, walk into that first day with confidence.
You've got this.
Bye, everyone. See you next week.
Good luck with your new job.